Tell him what you want to do.
Mum.
He wants to work with kids.
Well, be a teacher.
Not exactly a teacher.
Well, what then?
A nursery nurse.
A nanny? A babysitter? My mate's going to be a babysitter. Hello, my name's Pete and I'm a babysitter.
Gary.
Mate, I think you need to think about this. I mean, what about our web design company? Is everything that we planned just going to go flying out the window?
Look, Gary, I know we talked about it, but it's not really what I want to do.
But you're my inspiration. You've taught me everything that I know. I can't do it without you.
Gary, don't you think you're being a bit selfish? You're really good with kids, Pete. I think that's a brilliant idea.
Listen here, young lady. Let me speak to you a minute and tell you how I started. When I started, I had 3 young children. I had no qualifications, no skills, no money, no husband. I didn't do it out of choice. I had to do it.
But Pete wants to do it. Shouldn't you be supporting him? It's your job.
See, it's a rubbish career to get into anyway. There's no prospects.
Do you mind? This is my job you're talking about. It's just not right for Pete. He's a young boy with
Pete,
lots of
if it makes you
potential.
happy, you should do it.